naked already.
I have pants, I have shorts on, I'm not naked. The sun's out, it's warming up.
It is.
And we're motoring, like, which normally I wouldn't be happy about, but pretty happy with the fact that we can motor.
That our boat is back together in one piece.
Right? There's no more exhaust smell. Fingers crossed. We're optimistically hopeful. No, optimistically cautious. Cautiously optimistic? There we go. We are cautiously optimistic that our engine woes and troubles are behind us. This is the trial run. I mean, we're just amazing. It's amazing how excited and giddy you are once you realize that, you know, as a perpetual traveler, being stuck just kills me. Even if we don't go anywhere, it's the fact that we couldn't really go anywhere. That's what's the worst part. And now we can go wherever we want, hopefully, without worrying about engines and mechanics and parts, and hopefully we can go explore again.
Oh, it's so good to be out here. The sun's shining, it's warm, at least a lot warmer than it's been. I have a stupid little Bobo fly bugging me, and it's okay. It's okay. It's like flying around, landing on me, and they drove us so crazy this summer. But now that we've just been sitting for so long and there wasn't really any life around us, and it was cold and wet, and we were sad, now we're happy, and the bug doesn't bother me that much yet. We're out looking for whales as we motor along. They should be in this area right now. There's been quite a few reports. It's the season and they're on their way up. But, it's gorgeous today. Absolutely gorgeous. Any change in our oil pressure or temperature gauge. Boat's handling really well. It's a beautiful motor, but I have to keep going in the sunshine because it's a tiny bit cold in the shade. The sun is now nice and bright and beating down, but a second ago it was behind a cloud. So it's that nice springtime weather where you go between a little too chilly and then pretty warm. So layers are coming on and off, and I wear my headband and keep my hair out of my face, and we're going for it.
You about fell on your butt.
I did not.
Has it been a while since you've been sailing or what?
Well, you know, I haven't moved this much. That's Hiraya. We gotta answer the radio.
Spirit, you want to go to 2-2? Or I mean 2-3?
2-3.
Where'd you guys end up?
We went by the first place, Cobra. There was 4 boats, and we passed that up and went to Painted Cliffs.
Looks like we're going to Painted Cliffs.
You're breaking up, but it sounds like we are going to Painted Cliffs.
That's affirmative.
Could smell something a little bit in there. I don't know what it is. Hopefully it's just paint melting and burning off chemicals and nothing serious.
Don't do that. I don't know what to say.
Made it to our anchorage, and it never fails. We're coming in, things were doing really good, and we get next to our buddy boat, ready to drink anchor, put it in neutral, and what happens? The stupid little plastic kit clip that we thought we had kind of fixed broke, and of course now we don't have our shifter lever again, or the throttle.
Laura's gonna be so mad at us. Oh man, I guess I need to lay off the push-ups.
Jessica keeps breaking our boat. So of course I had to hurry and jump down and pull the doghouse off and, you know, put this thing in neutral manually at the transmission. You know, but the engine ran great. We just got to work on our shifting mechanism. Jessica says she's about to cry.
Yep. Nope. It's okay.
Take them off.
No.
Let me see. All right.
No cry. No tears. We can do this. It's fine.
No tears yet. All I know is the engine ran really well.
Yes.
We're pretty happy with that. We just got to figure out how to shift this boat. I think I'm going to make a metal bracket and get rid of this plastic nylon stuff. I feel like we are mobile at least. I don't mind shifting that by hand if I have to. It's not that big of a deal for now. There we go. That's the damage. Broke right there. When it happened, we knew exactly what it was. Jessica's just too strong. That's like her mating call. You should see her do that when she's trying to be sexy. I think I made her mad. All right, so the problem is now we got to come up with a better solution. I can order another one, and they're only like $35, which is not a problem. Getting it here will take 2 or 3 weeks, and I don't know if it's worth having. I would love a metal one, an actual metal solid piece of aluminum, a little stronger than this plastic stuff. For now, we're gonna try to fabricate something enough to keep us going, at least the throttle side, so that we can run the throttle from out here. The shifter is really not that hard. I can just go in there and just manually shift it at worst case till we get somewhere we can get some parts, but a little disappointed. Happy with the engine so far, but we were hoping that this whole engine transmission shifting thing was behind us, and apparently not quite yet. We're close.
The part's not the engine, it's just something else. There's always got to be something else.
Well, it is a 44-year-old boat, so there's always something, right? You there, ma'am, are about to be amazed.
Amazed? Why do you say that?
Look what I'm building you.
What are you? You certainly are not building it for me.
Sure I am. How else are you going to drive the boat? You probably want these. Hold on. Shut that off in case I fail. Okay?
I'm watching. I am watching 100%. What are you doing?
Aluminum. I've drilled and tapped some threads here. I'm going to use these pieces that are supposed to be connected together. Usually there's a bolt clear in there, but they're too weak. We tried to patch and it's just not working. So I'm going to build a cable clamp. Some scrap pieces like this. Okay.
I think that stubby screwdriver is your favorite tool you've ever had.
I use this all the time.
I know.
Ratcheting little stubby with tips. You gotta have multiple tips in your life, okay? You can't have a single tip.
Oh, there's a whole backstory to the tip.
Yes, there is.
Oh.
Maybe one day we'll tell it.
2 times now, I, with my massive strength, have broken the shifting cable.
If you'd be more gentle on our boat.
I'm pretty sure I'm gentle. I'm starting to think there's something else wrong with it.
And you. Mainly the boat.
You're such a jerk sometimes.
Stop it. Feel like we're getting desperate now. We got JB Weld going. We're gonna glue these plastic things onto this metal. I gotta be able to tear this thing apart so that I can reassemble it tomorrow after it cures. So the thought is that we put this tape on so that it doesn't get stuck. But, you know, we'll see. I mean, I'm not out anything. I can always do this again. It's already broken, so that'll work.
Don't make a mess. You are on the settee.
This is already going so well.
Ah.
Oh, yeah. Okay, there we go.
Easy.
Do you want to do it?
I would be outside.
It's cold outside. It's cold in Mexico still. Let me get my rubber glovies on. My rubbers. It's like going to the doctor. Going in for an exam. Performing surgery. Alright, let's mix this up.
If a little bit is good,
More is better. Always.
I don't know about that.
Always. No one's ever said they didn't have enough JB Weld. What are you laughing at now?
Ratchet.
We've gone full on arts and crafts. I'm using an emery board nail fire thing to mix the putty up.
Nail fire.
Nail file, whatever this thing's called. Every day, I just go lower and lower.
Arts and crafts is not lower.
It is for me. I do not like arts and crafts. Alright, girls and boys, arts and crafts is over. Done. Now we gotta let cure for 24 hours. See if this thing's gonna hold together. Hopefully the electrical tape comes out so we can unthread this thing. Yeah, I don't know. If not, we'll figure something else out, but we'll know tomorrow.
Stop! You're dropping the metal everywhere.
Sorry. Stop touching. Don't touch my feet. It's the next afternoon. The stuff's cured for maybe 20 hours, I think, or so. We are going to take the grinder, clean this up, make it look prettier, and try to reinstall this thing. Hopefully this bolt comes free and we haven't glued it to itself. Oh, look at that. Yes.
Coming out?
It's coming out. Yes. The tape was a good call. I think it's looking pretty good. Feeling pretty confident. It seems to have cured really well to the plastic. Final product. Hopefully this works for a while so we can get the real deal. This one goes there like that. We got that back in there. I had to take the whole brake mechanism out to get enough space, but I've got it in there. I've got it tight. Barely had enough thread to tighten a nut, but I think we're good. We're gonna assemble the brake and put everything back together, and tomorrow morning when we head out of here, we're gonna hope this thing works and holds together. Okay, there, it's not binding. Look, no more binding.
You're almost there.
Yeah, but where is there?
Hands in a little tiny hole. Join us next time as we find skeletons and explore salt ponds on Isla Carmen. Thanks for watching!